So we're going to review a lot of things in this module, but the first one we're going to review is this idea of left and right Riemann rectangles as estimates of a definite integral. So in this case, we better go 0 to 8 to match the information in our table. And you're asked to draw left rectangles. And so left just means if we have a base, and in this case our base is going to go from 0 to 2, then we're going to draw a rectangle, and the height will be defined by the left value in the table. So the 1 is the left-hand side of our rectangle. Notice all these dots are drawn for you. That would never be true on an AP test. You'd have to create your own sketch, and I'd encourage you to do that. But if we were going to draw left rectangles, we'd have 4 of them. And we wouldn't use this last data point because we're going from the left. Similarly, right rectangles would take off from the right side of the base and would come back over to define our rectangle. Now, as we actually make the estimate, we are going to sum all of the bases and heights. So in this first case, our height for our left rectangle is 1, and our height is 2. That's for this first one. For the second area, we would add another base of 2, but this time the height is 2, plus 3.5 is our next height, and our base is 2. And for the last one, our height is 4, and all of these had a base of 2. And so in this case, our estimate of the integral from 0 to 8, or the area under the curve, is 21. For our other right Riemann sum, we've got another set of calculations, and we're adding every one of these areas. And in this case, our summation is 31. So we can see that there's a pretty big difference in these two estimates of that integral. I want to encourage you to show the calculations on your AP test, because often there will be a point for finds the exact answer, but also another point for uses a right rectangle. And you could have the wrong answer have shown no work and get 0 out of 2 instead of 1 out of 2. So again, make sure you're showing your work.